how to remove card on Temu. So if you want to remove a card on Temu, then first you need to open up your Temu application. Make sure to log into your account on your Temu, and once you've logged in, now you can simply go for the bottom which has that U icon, tap on U, and then from here you can simply go for settings, which is on the upper right. Once you're here on the settings, you will have your payment methods, right? Tap on your payment methods, and from here, if you have your credit or debit card, or if you have added any payment methods, then you will have that here. But for now I have not added, so you can simply tap on add a credit or debit card to add your account. So from here you can add your Visa, your MasterCard, your PayPal account, or anything that is supported by this application. And once you've added, you will have your cards, right? So to remove a card, you can simply tap on your card, and then you will have remove option under your card. So simply tap on remove and your card will be removed on Temu. So that's how you can remove your card if you have added it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.